7.5.
Sino siya nga, ano? So, how do you describe that? Like,
This one is so 2.59 karat. It's VVS2. This one.
so meron pa na siya limited edition, ma'am? Or naghan na siya for...
It really depends sir, sa clarity, sa color, sa weight. So, I think kasi Tiffany naman has the parang most naman na quality. So, siya 7.
So we can say nga, muna siya unique pa din siya.
Yes.
Is it the same at the back?
This is higher carats.
That one is there.
So it's a very, very nice. I think it's very, very